Good morning, children. Take out your SST book, page number 30. We are supposed to start with the telecommunication. Now, the word telecommunication itself tells that this is related to the verbal communication with others. Now, what is the telecommunication? Telecommunication is the fastest means, or you may say telephone is the fastest means of communication that we know. Today, if you are using phone, you can talk to any person which is again living far of the cities, even in a different country, through using STD, that is subscriber trunk dialing, or ISD for international subscriber dialing. STD is used when you are using calling to the person from one state to another. ISD is used when we are calling person who is outside the country. Okay, as we know that telephone facilities are available in all the cities, towns, and villages, and in countries, correct? No, as this time passed, what happened, we again start using cellular or mobile phones. Again, these are cellular or mobile phones. With the help of these mobile phones, people can talk to anyone at any time, even while traveling. We can send messages through it using SMS. Okay, short message service, that is SMS. Okay, the mobile phones beta now been further developed into a smartphones which we are using now for our studies, which only not helping us to talk with the people, but also it performs many functions like camera for photography, voice recording, internet surfing, calculation, music, phone banking, mailing, etc. Now also what I'm doing, I'm also using my phone to again send this video to all of you. So for making video also, what I'm using, my smartphone. Now fax is again another means of communication beta, that is carried out using telephone lines, which is also called facsimile, or fax message is printed message or a picture sent to the another machine located in anywhere in part of the world. Means suppose I want to send you like question answers from here. If I would be having this fax machine, and you are also having a fax machine, I can send you the question answers in a hard copy. Okay, exact copy of the document will reach to the receiver on his fax machine. Means whatever I am going to send you, that exact photo will be, again you will be able to take from the fax machine. Again, letter, telephone, fax, all these are personal means of communication. Again, these all are, when we are using, these are helpful in communicating again few people. Means you can use for one or two individual only. But there are beta some means of communication which are used for big groups of people, that are your newspaper, radio, television, cinema, computer. What these all are, these are mass means of communication. Means through these we can again send our message to many people at one time. Now we are going to study about the newspaper. As we all know, this newspaper, magazine, books are important source of information, we all know. But a newspaper again gives opinion, information, and news of interest from every corner of the world. Okay, and they are read widely in, I think, in all part of the world. In India, beta, newspaper and magazines, they are published in three languages. One is your English and other is your Hindi. These two languages are there. Third one is your regional language. Suppose if I am living in a Gujarat, that a regional language will be Gujarati. Means third language, that in third language which that in Gujarati also there will be a newspaper. Okay, now next comes is arbita, this radio. Again, the invention of radio was a great invention in the world of mass communication. And who invented this? Guglielmo Marconi invented this. Again, it was the cheapest means of communication, especially those who cannot read or write. Okay, and again there are number of radio station in our country, in every country I find. Okay, these radio station, how they are broadcasting, they are broadcasting news. What they are broadcasting news, music, plays, stories, agriculture information, speeches, advertisement, and other important announcements. Radio is again very popular in both rural as well as in urban areas, beta. This is again very portable media because we can hear the radio at home, in office, in cars, on streets, or anywhere. Now this television, that we all know that the who invented this John Logie Baird, he invented it in 1926. Again made it not only possible to hear. Earlier in radio we were able to hear only, we were not able to see, but this was audio and visual both. Okay, what was happening all around the world we can see through the television. While beta radio is only audio device that we all know, television was audio as well as visual device. Television is able to broadcast events and programs happening in different parts of the world through satellites. Okay, today beta television gives us an option to watch different channels, like a cartoon channel. Number of cartoon channels are there, number of news channels are there, business channels, entertainment channels. Means one particular subject we are having number of channel for that particular subject. Again, by using beta simple remote we can switch to any channel, like sports, news, entertainment, and we can also learn the cultures of different countries. Now cinema, as we all know, is important mass means of communication. Beside entertainment, it is also an important tool to spread education and awareness. Today we know that we have films and documentary movies that made to spread awareness on social issues like gender equality, respect for women, importance of education, again that reflect uh, the happening in our society. Next comes computer, that we all know what is a computer. Again, invention of computer as one of the most useful, I think so, invention of the last 100 years. Again computer, what it does, it make a bulk work easier by using software beta, but are also very important means of mass communication. Allow beta user to communicate with each other over the interconnected network. Users, what they are doing, they are connected to the internet via phone lines or a cable connection, again which allow them to exchange the information and data. What we all are doing, we are also using a network only, okay, internet, okay, and we are sharing our data through internet, no. Nowadays beta personal computers comes in the form of desktops, then laptops, palm tops, or tablets. Again very popular and widely used at home, in offices, in in educational institution. I think you must also be using one of them. But today internet has brought the world closer to each other. We can access information by sitting at any corner of the world. Again, internet, I think, in its most basic form is simply a group of computers which able to connect each other and share information. This include beta electronic mail, that is your email, and the use of sites connecting the vital information, that is your websites are connecting beta. Again today it is used for various purposes like socializing, conducting researches, and advertising. Next come communication satellites, which are very again important. This is your communication picture of communication satellite given on your page number 32. You must be wondered that how the radio, this television, and internet are broadcasted. Again, they are broadcasting the information by using these satellites. Through these satellites, it is possible to broadcast all the information in front of you. Now, what the satellites are doing, beta, they are again, satellites are sent in outer space through rockets, and they revolve all around the earth. They pick up the signals, okay, from the earth station, and they then transmit them all over the world. This is how we get the information while sitting in our living room. This was all, beta. Have a good day. Our syllabus is finished, so read each and every line of the chapter, because question can be said from within the chapter. Have a good day, all of you.